I just want to talk to you about the vagus nerve, and this is what the vagus nerve actually looks like. It is responsible for many things in our body. It's responsible for regulating our fight or flight system in our body. It calms us down so that when we're stressed out, the actual calming down part is done by the vagus nerve. This is a real oversimplification, but the point being is that the vagus nerve needs something called vagal tone in order for it to function at its best. Vagal tone is similar to muscle tone. If we go to the gym and we do a whole lot of reps, then we are going to get stronger. And if I'm able to regulate my vagus nerve or through a whole bunch of stressful experiences, then my vagal tone is going to get stronger. And I'm going to be able to regulate through stressful experiences and be able to calm down a whole lot easier. So someone with a high vagal tone gets into an accident, and assuming that they're okay, they're going to get back to their normal daily life pretty quick. If someone with low vagal tone and I clap, it can actually take them months for them to calm down from the stress of it all. It's not a weakness or a failing if you do have low vagal tone, and it is something that we can actually expand on. How do we increase our vagal tone? How do I make sure that my nervous system is working with me to be able to calm down enough to handle the situations in life? It actually requires emotional capacity. Having high vagal tone certainly helps us manage what life may throw at us. So the vagus nerve actually controls all automatic body functions: our breathing, our swallowing, our speech, our hearing, our heartbeat, blood pressure, taste, digestion, gut health, bladder control, circulation, orgasms, fertility. It also allows us to access creativity, to be able to make complex decisions, for us to be able to be focused, to be present, and to be, I suppose, quick thinking. If we don't have access to healthy vagus tone, then we're not actually able to live outside our survival actions. We'll be living in fear, flight, or fight. A healthy vagus nerve is vital for us to be present in our life, to have good leadership, decision making, for us to live a life that we are able to make decisions that we need to make. We can impact the vagus nerve by excessive stress, smoking, drinking, alcohol, overworking, lack of sleep, poor nutrition, lack of exercise. If the nerve is not able to function to the best of its ability, we become more susceptible to chronic illnesses. Pain, depression, anxiety, cardiovascular disorders, obesity, hypertension, diabetes, digestive disorders, so IBS, diarrhea, constipation, food sensitivities, inflammation, infertility, chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, thyroid issues, Parkinson's, and so much more. So that's why it is actually so important for us to have good vagal tone and to have nervous system regulation, because the vagus nerve is actually the driver of our body. We need to nurture it and care for it. If we support it with emotional regulation, then it will support us. And that's where working with the somatic experiencing and creating a felt sense of safety and support within your own body, as well as the biology piece that is the foundations of who we are. By working with those two things, and also then being able to work with the mind, once we've got those things in place, then we're able to move into a different direction. So thank you. I hope that was informative, and I will see you next time.